Okay. So, a lot of times when you talk about, okay, I need to move forward in this year, you feel like overwhelmed because you're like, oh my gosh, I got to think about the advertising. I got to think about the calendars. I got to think about the online thing. I got to get people subscribed. I have to get them into my membership platforms. I've got to get all this stuff rolling. And, that is the marketing and advertising effort, which I always call the effect. But when it comes to the cause that creates the business, that is not what that is. The cause that creates the business is one of three things. And those three things are what I'm going to be showing you today because you can apply one silo of the three, and that'll get you somewhere. It'll get you geometrically further in your business. It may grow your business 10 to 20%. But if you combine the silos, you can go exponential very quickly. So, the three ways to increase your business: increase the number of clients, increase the average size of the sale per client, increase the average size of the sale per client, and increase the number of times they buy again. That's it. That's it. Increase the number of clients, increase the average size of the sale, increase the number of times they buy again. And this applies across every single thing you're doing in every single one of your businesses. Mary's photography business, Judy's retail business with all of the things that she's selling, Judy's healing center. Magdalena, what you do in your world with your clients, it applies to everybody. Okay. So it's not a complicated science. So it's just these three things. And anytime I go into a client business, I know that all I have to do is scooch something up a smidge for an exponential return. So I look at the silos. I look at how can we increase the clients? How can we increase the average sale? How can we increase the number of times they come back and buy again? And if I even focus on one of those and bring it up, that's awesome. If I'm able to combine the effort and bring it all three silos in place, you're not just growing 10%, you're growing exponentially.